Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from VIVO V15 Pro to an Android device. You need to start by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called SendAnywhere from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, you need to do exactly the same on both devices. Begin by tapping on I agree. Then click on Confirm, Continue, and Allow. Now on the second one, I agree, Confirm, Continue, Allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can tap on Not Now and select OK. You can also just click on OK. Wherever you do when you're finished, choose Send at the bottom left corner of VIVO. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on an Android, click on one of those options to set up the best one for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Then click on Close this window and go back to VIVO device. You can finally use all of those categories available at the top and choose all of your files that you wish to send. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. You can also just click on the chosen files and click on Send as well. Then tap on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way is better for you. If you want to connect thanks to this QR code, tap on the scanning icon next to Input key on an Android. Then select while using the app or only this time in the pop-up to allow camera access. And last but not least, point your device's camera at the code. If you prefer to input this key though, tap on Input key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and then tap on Receive button. So when I do that, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!